Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Anupam KS. Today we'll be reviewing this Jinhao 992 transparent fountain pen. But before we start, did you know that only 1% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed? So if you like these kind of videos and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and maybe even leave a like. So without wasting any more time, let's get back to the video. So this is what the packaging looks like from the outside. I'm gonna open the box and slowly slide out the pen. I'm gonna remove this plastic cover and slide the pen out of this card. So this is how the pen looks. Let me just open the cap and show you the nib. So this is how the nib looks. You can clearly see the ink in the pen through the barrel. I'll just open it and show you the converter. So this is the converter of the pen. You need to twist this part here in order to fill it with ink. Now I'll just close the pen back up. And let's move on to the next part of the video. So the pen has an old school classic fountain pen look. The company's name is written below the cap. The cap just twists off like this. This is how the cap looks. The clip has a very simple design. You can see the ink and the converter through the transparent barrel. Now let's take a look at the nib. The nib has these lines engraved into it, and the company's name and the nib size is also written on it. So overall, I like the design of the pen. So the pen comes fitted with a converter. It's a twist type converter. The converter enables us to use any brand or color of ink that we may like. So the pen comes with this smooth and transparent grip section. It does feel really comfortable to hold in our hands, but it's a little slippery. It's very smooth, so if you have sweaty hands, it might be a problem. So I talked about this when I was reviewing the Cello Royal fountain pen. Weight balance is important for fountain pen because if the weight is too high, it might feel really uncomfortable to hold in your hands, and you might have to put a lot of pressure just to keep it straight. So the weight balance of this pen feels fine. But after posting the cap on the back of the pen, the weight moves too high up and it feels uncomfortable to hold. Now let's see how the pen writes. So this pen comes fitted with the Jinhao extra fine nib, and the writing is thinner than some other fountain pens that I've used. But still it writes really smooth. Now let's do a smudge test. And it does smudge quite a bit. I'm using the Parker Quink ink. Now let's compare it with another fountain pen in this price range. This is a Parker Beta Premium Silver Gold Trim fountain pen. You can see that the writing looks almost the same. I did use Parker Quink ink to conduct both tests, but I do think that the Jinhao fountain pen is just a little bit smoother than the Parker. I was surprised when I found out that the MRP of this pen was 800 rupees because I got it for just under 300 on Amazon. Now let's see some other fountain pens in this price range. So overall I think this fountain pen is definitely a solid choice if you are looking to get into fountain pens. So overall I think this is a good looking, well writing and comfortable fountain pen for a low price. So it's definitely worth buying. I would definitely recommend this if you want to get into fountain pens. So guys, this was Anupam KS reviewing the Jinhao 992 student fountain pen. So if you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and maybe leave a like on this video. Feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments down below. So until next time, thank you and bye.